Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting power and connectivity ready. Charge or insert batteries and switch the mouse on so it's discoverable. If your mouse uses a USB receiver, plug that into the TV's USB port now. Once done, open the TV's settings and go straight to the Bluetooth or accessories pairing menu so the TV can search. This step ensures the TV and mouse speak the same language. Making the device visible prevents stalls in the next step. You will now complete the actual link. Put the mouse in pairing mode, hold the pairing button until the LED blinks so the TV can find it. On the TV, choose the mouse name from the Discovered Devices list and accept the connection. If a PIN appears, use common defaults like 0000 or 1234 only when required. For a USB receiver, make sure the TV recognizes the receiver as a generic HID mouse in inputs. This makes clicks, scrolls, and pointer movement pass through correctly. Finish by testing the pointer, clicks, and scroll wheel to confirm full control. Then adjust speed and acceleration in the TV's pointer settings so movement feels natural. If special buttons or gestures don't work, update the mouse firmware or the TV's system software. Compatibility gaps are often the cause. If nothing responds, try the single-key troubleshooting tip. Repair the mouse after switching USB ports or replacing batteries. That simple reset resolves most connectivity hangs and clears stale device profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.